The drone footage shows how a luminous object appears in the distance, which suddenly turns at an angle of 90 degrees and rushes straight towards the unmanned vehicle at incredible speed. Pyeongtaek is a city in Gyeonggi province, South Korea. It was there that a local resident launched a drone with a camera on board. According to the drone operator, the UFO was 1.3 kilometers away from the drone when it spotted it and made a 90-degree turn over the forest near General Wonkyunkin's grave in Pyeongtaek and flew to the front of Songtan, where the drone is located. The UFO flew past the drone, and the operator, after calculating, found that the UFO flight speed was 56.16 kilometers per hour.